Good morning everyone. This is Viraj Kamlesh from grade 4. I am going to tell you today's day and date. The day is Friday and date is 29 August 2025. Thank you.
Good morning all, this is Viraj Gade from grade 4th. Every Friday we have Fun Fact Friday. So today's fun facts are wrestling is the oldest sport. In 1971 an astronaut played golf on the moon. Olympic gold medals are mostly made of silver. Thank you.
Good morning all. This is Amara Sifalase from grade 4.
My name is Shreya Rakesh Guru from grade 4.
This is Khwaisha Jasetia from grade 4.
I am Aliza Imran Tamboli from grade 4.
We are going to tell you today's importance of the day. Today we are observing National Sports Day. National Sports Day in India is celebrated every year on August 29. It commemorates the birth anniversary of legendary hockey player Major Dhyan Chand, often referred to as the Wizard of Hockey. When did it started?
National Sports Day began in 2012 to honor Major Dhyan Chand's contributions to sports. Every year on this day, we remembered his magic on the hockey field and celebrate sports across India. What happens on this day?
The President of India gives big awards like Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna, Arjuna Award, Dronacharya Award, Dhyan Chand Award.
Important initiatives on this day. First, Fit India movement started on this day in 2019 to remind everyone to stay active and fit. Second, Khelo India also runs programs encouraging children to play sports and train for the future.
We from Shraddha Olympiad School want to send a message that celebrate excellence, promote fitness, inspire future champions.
Let's celebrate the spirit of sports and the joy it brings into our lives. Happy National Sports Day.
Good morning everyone. Myself Harshita Nitin Sada from grade 5th day. So, today I am going to present the importance of the day on Major Dhyan Chand. Major Dhyan Chand was a great hockey player of India. He was born on 29 August 1905. People called him the Wizard of Hockey because he played so well. He helped India win 3 Olympic gold medals in 1928, 1932 and 1936. In one match, he scored many goals and made India famous all over the world. He was also a soldier in Indian Army and became a major. So, to remember him, we celebrate National Sports Day on his birthday. Now, I am going to represent a beautiful poem for him. करके ऊंचा नाम राष्ट्र का वो भारत रत्न बन पाया, अपने हॉकी स्टिक के करतबों से वो जादूगर कहलाया. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Saksham Vidyanand Upadhyay from grade 7. You all know today is 29 August. It is celebrated as National Sports Day. So I am going to speak about Major Dhyan Chand. Dhyan Chand was an Indian legendary field hockey player who was widely regarded as one of the greatest of all time, celebrated for his exceptional ball control and goal scoring ability. He born on 1905. He earned the moniker the Hockey Wizard for his magical stick work, leading India to 3 consecutive Olympic gold medals in 1928, 1932 and 1936. His birth anniversary, August 29th, was observed as National Sports Day in India to commemorate to his invaluable contributions to sports. Dhyan Singh, born on 29 August 1905 in Allahabad, India. He was the son of Sameshwar Dutt Singh, who also played hockey. He joined the British Indian Army at age 16 and began playing hockey seriously, competing in various army tournaments in between 1922 and 1926. He earned the name Chand because he known to practice hockey at night under the moonlight after his duty hours. Eventually, he becoming known as Dhyan Chand. He is in India 29 August 9 is celebrated as National Sports Day to honor his contributions to sports. His magical mastery of the game was so profound that in Vienna, a statue erected in his with 4 hands and 4 hockey sticks to symbolize his extraordinary abilities. He recognized with the exceptional career with Padma Bhushan, one of the India's highest civilian honors in 1956. Thank you.